Trouble's brewing inside. I'm done with fucking the dog. Tonight is one of those nasty nights, and something's coming on strong. The moon's full of hoes out in the open sky, a guiding light that leads me on where no greater shakes survive. I'm about to make these things fall into place. She won't see me stopping now, a fire across my face. Tonight, pigs might fly, all eyes and ears may wonder why. They'll be fly by night with me on the dark side. They'll be so get ready for one hell of a fight. I'll huff and I'll puff till I blow his house in. A boy, how I love them little pigs. She will stop for nothing, hungry for something more than just anything. Man, I'm scratching at the door. Boy, you better be running with the wind at your back, 'cause once I catch your trail tonight, there ain't no turning back. Colorful steam, I get all artsy-fartsy, living loud inside the dream. I'ma work these pigtails right off, oh yeah, make them swing both ways like trouble in the air. Tonight, pigs might fly, all eyes and ears may wonder why. They'll be fly by night with me on the dark side. They'll be so get ready for one hell of a fight. I'll make some hay till the sun shines on me, so when tomorrow brings me back into question, see, I'll still be here waiting like a hungry wolf. I am, I don't lose no appetite, no, I don't give a damn. Watch them ham something up, they hitting it off tonight. I call the shots, charged it to dust, let the rain settle right. I growl, prowl, and I'll puff till I blow his house in. Oh boy, you know I love them pigs. She-wolf still hungry, still running through the night.